Hi there, Scott Barker. Just wanted to reach out to you today to give you a quick real estate market update for the Denver metro area for the month of July. For the month of July, we had about 7,500 homes on the market. This was pretty much dead even compared to last year. July 2015, we had about 7,500 homes on the market, so not much year-over-year change there. Compared to June of 2016, so month over month, we were up about 10%. Seasonally we were expecting an increase, and we'll continue to expect increases over the coming next couple of months as inventory begins to build in these later summer months. This is pretty typical seasonally here in the Denver metro market. Average sales price about $412,000. That was up about 13% year over year. Median sold price as well was at $354,000, and that's up about 13% year over year as well. So really strong price increases as we've been experiencing for several years now in the Denver metro market. And then average days on market was at 25. So if we wanted to break that out between the single-family homes and the condos, a median house sold for about $390,000, a median condo sold for about $243,000. So just to give you an idea, and both of those had between 12 and 13% year-over-year increases. So it was pretty balanced from an appreciation standpoint. A couple other points here, a couple other market insights. Number one, as we start to see inventory increase, we've also seen in multiple offer situations in certain areas and in certain price points, the multiple offer situation has balanced out a little bit. We're definitely still seeing it almost everywhere that we go, but instead of 10 offers, we may see 3 or 4, or in certain higher price points, or further out geographically, we may see homes be on the market for more than a week. So some things to think about here. Sellers are beginning to soften their stance on inspection related issues as buyers are beginning to feel a little bit more empowered because of the market dynamics that they're feeling out there as well. And then the other thing to point out is, while the number of listings has increased in June or July, the number of showings in July had actually slowed down. So what we're experiencing a little bit is, the inventory, the supply of homes is going up, and if you're measuring demand based on number of showings, the demand is going down a little bit. So this is why you're seeing this balancing out effect. A couple of other factors, more outside of the Denver metro market that could be having an impact here as well is number one, interest rates are still near a 3-year low. So that's definitely creating a more affordable environment for buyers to be able to go out and buy a home. The second thing is, as we move closer to the November elections, a lot of market experts are expecting that that demand may slow a little bit as we get closer. Again, we're in the market all the time. We sell a home every 7 days, and we would just say that it's kind of a sporadic situation. I think marketing strategy, pricing strategy, timing, those sorts of things come into play quite a bit here. As more recently we've listed and sold a few homes. We put it on the market, and within a couple of days it went under contract, multiple offers. But yeah, in the same neighborhoods, there are homes that have been sitting on the market for a couple of weeks. So it definitely, I think, strategically, what your marketing strategy is, what how you're positioning your home. Those are all very important things to consider as well. So, and if you have any questions on that, we'd be happy to talk with you about it. But feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. We'd love to talk real estate with you anytime. 720-600-6151, or feel free to reach out to us on social media or through email. Have a great day.